त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच. Slightly go back and keep the lower back down. Right leg up, left leg down. Extend the right hand to the right rope. Holding, lift the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keeping the hand there, straighten the left leg. 1, straighten both the legs, centralize the position. 2, feet together. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bending the right knee, readjusting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finding the left rope with the right hand and open the chest, drishti back. 1, 2, how is 4, 5. Inhaling, come back, exhale. Change the leg is already there, only change the hand. Left palm, right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4. Buttock does not go up, it's fixed. 5. The hand is not moving back, it's upward. 6, 7, 8. Now from here, you take the hand behind to get the head down. Shift the body down. Hold here. 1, 2, 3. Don't lie down. Be in the sitting position. Maintain your legs. Extend the hand forward. Stretch the hand forward like how you do a pigeon position. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त. Wrap the hand behind, flex the elbow and then come up. Sit straight. Catch the same rope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both the legs are straight in Paschimottanasana. Both the legs are straight. The hand is wrapped behind. One hand is wrapped. Turn to the wall. Face to the wall. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left knee bending. 1. Correct? Okay. No, but another leg we will bend. No. 2. To keep your spine straight and hip square, other leg will bend. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पंच, षट्, सप्त. Inhaling, come back. Exhaling, take both upper rope, moving into Halasana. Raise your legs up. Sarvangasana to Halasana. Lift up. Lift the leg and the lower back up. Raise up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the second box and go into Halasana leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right leg up, left leg down. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both the legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both the legs off. From here, lean the legs, shift the leg towards the head and release the hand. Off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push the wall, go back. Lift, stand, quick, up, pull the ropes, bind your hands, bind the hands, shift the weight away. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि. Come on. Right leg up, left, move. Ekam, dve, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्टौ, नव, दश. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feet opening, lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Forward fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relaxed. Yes. The lower left rope. Right leg on. Lower right rope. Left leg on. Cross the legs. Extend the hands behind in cactus. Flex the foot by engaging your angusta. Focus on abdominal breathing. Ekam, expand the stomach. Ekam, relaxed the navel. Dve, open both the legs wide apart. Hands to the sideways. Press the palm to raise the lower back up. 1, Interlace the fingers. Interlace your fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, release. Left foot against the right thigh. Slightly go back and keep the lower back down. Pull the left toes, press the left knee. Excellent for sciatic nerve pain and lower back pain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhaling, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Release the lower back.